Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. And I am also good. So let's start the today's session. In this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XAU USD, and explain you how to find the potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. All right. So let's take a look at the fundamental before jump into the chart of gold. Okay, let me show you economic calendar for upcoming news today. As you can see, there is a big news scheduled in today, and this is core PPI and PPI month over month. This both news are represent the inflation of the country. PPI means producer price index. That means the changes of price in manufacturer perspective. Actually, producer price index reflects changes in selling price received by domestic producers of goods and service in the specified month, and it compared to the previous month. The producer price index, that is PPI, measures a changes in input price of raw materials or semi finished or finished goods and service. If input cost rise, that means if the price of raw material rise, some will be absorbed by the producer and some passed on to the consumer. And conversely, if input cost fall, some of the decline will be enjoyed as wider profit margin by the producer, and some will be passed on to the consumer in the form of lower prices, because PPI impacts consumer prices. So if compared to CPI, if producer price grow, consumer prices are expected to grow accordingly. Because if the raw material price will increase, then obviously the prices of uh, consumable goods and other services will increase to the consumers. And we know on our previous data, the inflation of USA is already gradually cooling down. That means we may see some coolingness on PPI also today. And you can see the forecast of the core PPI is less than the previous data. That is, the previous is 0.4%. Now it is forecasted 0.2%. And the PPI month over month is same as per the previous data. So if we see a good negative numbers in the actual data today, we can see a good bullishness again in the gold. But already the forecasted, the core PPI is less than the previous. So there is a chance of positive data in core PPI. If we see any positive data in PPI, we may see a short time bearishness in gold. Okay, that's all in fundamental today. Let's look at the chart for technical analysis. Okay, if you can see, this is a daily chart in front of us of gold, and you can see the now gold approaches the all-time high resistance and supply zone. This is a big supply zone and all-time high resistance. So right now this price is a selling price for scalping and intraday purpose, but market sentiment is overall market sentiment is still bullish for gold. That's why selling is risky, but you can scalp or some intraday trade for selling from here, from this price until release of news. Okay. So now price is a big resistance level. So let's check in the 4 hour frame. In 4 hour frame, market is a kind of range bound, but it is approaching the strong resistance level and reject from this level, and it creating evening star pattern at the top. So if it able to create a evening star, we may see a good selling in gold up to this level. This is a supply, demand area. Okay. If I plot the Fibo for the last swing, you can see the 50% retracement area is also this demand area. So we may get the price at this level today for buy. And if you initiate any sale from the top, you have to book your profit at this level. Okay, because gold is clearly bullish. So, and another thing, whenever market approaches any higher time frames resistance level, we need to check on smaller time frame for structural shift. If it shift the structure at this zone, we may initiate a sell from here. So for this reason, I'm checking on 5 minute frame if it is changed the structure or not. If it change the structure, we may initiate a sell from here. Look, if I mark the structure, it was bullish when it approaching the day level resistance, and this was our last lower low, and it create change of character. That means it shift the bullish structure to bearish structure in 5 minute frame when market approaches the daily resistance. Okay, that means the selling is confirmed for that is a small selling, not for long term, because in long term prospect gold is clearly bullish. So if we this is a good selling after change of character, market approach the support become resistance level, this zone and selling. So if we get the price once again at this zone, this is 2467 to 2470, 2467 270, you can initiate a sell for small profit, and you need to close your trade before release of news. Okay, so this zone is a selling zone for intraday purpose. So let's wait, let's see if price will come to this zone, we'll initiate a sell from here. Okay, now check the 1 hour frame, what it shows. In 1 hour frame, market is clearly bullish. If I mark the structure again, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, and then next high. So as per structural rules, we have 2 points of interest to join this trend. Let me delete the 4 hour, first 4 hour level, and let me mark the 1 hour level here. This is our first point of interest to join the bullish trend as per market structure. in 1 hour frame, and this is our second point of interest to join the bullish trend. Okay, so if we get the price at this zone, this is 2434 to 243837. If we get the price after release of news 2434 to 38, we may initiate a buy from here. Okay, after release of news, it is possible market may approach this support and go up again. If price able to break this support with momentum candles, listen, whenever market approaching any structural support and resistance, we do not initiate any trade. Firstly, you have to watch the market carefully whenever market approach the levels. If market approach these levels with momentum candles, selling candles, big selling candles, we do not initiate any buy from here. If market approach this level with some selling candle and give some rejection from below and give us some volume confirmation, we may initiate a buy from here. If it break this support, we will see for next point of interest, that is 24. Let me check the price. That is 2422 level. 2422 to 2424. This level. Our next buying point of interest is this level. If we get the price at these two zones today, after release of news, we may initiate a buy from here if we get any evidence. Otherwise, now price is in a selling zone. If we get the price at some retracement at this level up to, we may initiate a sell from here up to this level, and we need to close the trade before release of news. So that's all for the today's analysis, and I hope you all understand. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies that help you trade smarter and more profitably. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely, and bye bye, guys.